Hi, I'm Nick with the 1 Minute Property Manager. Painting. Make sure when you're doing your painting jobs, you notify all your residents of what's happening. Put the proper signage inside the elevators, throughout the hallways. Make sure you have everything centralized, all the paints you can get. If you have a generalist contractor's license, you can get with Sherwin-Williams some discounted rates on your paint. So your project, which would cost about $3,000 to $5,000 in paints, can wind up costing you about $1,500 or less. Get the paints put in. Make sure that your primer has a tint in it. It's important that your primer has the tint that matches it, at least 50%, because when you start adding the paint colors, you start to cover it and make it brighter and make it look better. Always important. All the work that's being done here, make sure you have the signage properly. Once all this is done, caulking on the edges, on the baseboard. There's a lot of work that needs to be done. This is serious work. Get the right people. Get the right companies, get the right paints. I'm Nick with the 1 Minute Property Manager. Take care. Ooh, I got 3 more seconds. 4.